Okay, I'm here with Richard Feldman, the man in the Elm community who needs no introduction, but I'm going to ask you to introduce yourself, Richard.
Hi, I'm Richard. I guess my relationship to Elm is I wrote Elm in Action, or am writing it, a book from Manning Publications. I made this SPA example that goes like 4,000 lines of code of example of how to do an SPA in Elm. It's completely open source. I did a front-end master's workshop. That's like a 2-day workshop from introducing people to Elm, and I work at No Red Inc. We have over 100,000 lines of Elm code in production. Still have not gotten our first runtime exception, and we're hiring.
Brilliant, thank you, Richard. Now, you've just given a keynote, how to scale Elm applications. I guess this is like the question that most people ask about Elm. I mean, I think you've proved at No Red Inc. that this works.
Yeah, I agree. And hopefully the keynote sort of like helps transfer some of that knowledge that we've learned over the past 2 years and helps other people.
Yeah, for sure. We had a lot of people coming out of that who were like, wow, this is great. This is A, what I need to sell my company on Elm, because these are the questions we get, and B, I can actually now start implementing this in my applications. So just a general question about Elm Europe. How have you found it so far?
Oh, it's been fantastic. Yeah, I mean, it's just like the energy level here is just palpable. I mean, there's this room full of people, and they're all here using Elm, being excited about Elm, and I feel like every other person I talk to is like, oh yeah, we're using it in production. It's like, usually I go to a JavaScript conference and there's people who are like, oh yeah, I'm interested in this. Like, I'm working through some tutorials, or maybe I built something. But here it's like, oh yeah, we use that at work. Anyway, let's talk about what it's like using Elm at work. It's just person after person. It's just really exciting to see.
Fantastic. And you're also giving a talk tomorrow, is that right? Yeah. So you're keeping busy?
Yes, Oslo Elm Day. Yeah, that's also going to be fun. Talking about Elm Test and Elm CSS tomorrow.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you.